Established in 2012, Peacemounts Electronics Co., Limited, strategically operates in Suzhou, near Shanghai, benefiting from convenient transportation access. Renowned for our expertise in metal bracket development and supply, we hold a leading position in the industry. As a trusted provider of mounting solutions in China, we pride ourselves on global dissemination of innovative solutions. Our dedicated research and development R&D team continuously refines technological processes to ensure consistent adherence to international quality standards. With extensive experience in metal bracket development and provision, we specialize in solutions for various audio and video equipment applications. Our product range spans TV mounts, tablet stands, medical monitor arms, and more. With over years of production and research expertise, along with numerous product patents and independent brand trademarks, we've established ourselves as industry pioneers, equipped with cutting-edge production machinery and comprehensive warehousing facilities. We meticulously oversee the entire production process from sheet metal processing to assembly, ensuring attention to detail at every stage. At Peacemounts, quality is paramount. Each product undergoes rigorous inspection to ensure safety and adherence to specified properties. We possess all necessary quality certificates and readily provide them upon request. In line with our commitment to quality, our mission is to make brackets to adapt to different application scenarios as you wish, recognizing unique requirements for each application. Our experienced engineering team offers comprehensive customization capabilities. We tailor products to meet diverse client needs across various scenarios. We are dedicated to addressing customer concerns regarding solution provision, quality assurance, and timely delivery. Our team tirelessly resolves issues to foster long-term and sustainable business relationships.